Okay, you can see we got the eyes all rounded out. Taking it out in the back where I said, so our eyeballs will fit okay. Took this part out in here so it won't catch on our spring. So now we're going to work on rounding the mouth down. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. So you can see we're rounding it down with our disc sander, and then after we get it shaped where we want it, we'll go in and we'll use our Dremel to further sand it down and further shape it. Thanks for watching.